Legendary. Dr. July in the building.
Hello guys, welcome to Daily Entertainment Bars right now that HHTV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, straight to today's bars, we have actor Don Little gets a brand new Chevrolet car worth 80,000 Ghana Cedi. So the diminutive actor Don Little has got himself a brand new Chevrolet car. The car was given to Don Little after he signed a new management contract with a yet-to-be-disclosed outfit. The actor took to Instagram to share the news of his latest management deal while flaunting the new car. Speaking in a video cited by Odate HTV, Don Little indicated that the Chevrolet was a brand new car given to him by his management. Though he failed to mention the name of the management, he revealed that the company was also into travel and tour businesses. Little further expressed gratitude to the management for the new car. The car that HTV gathers is a Chevrolet Montana, a mini pickup, which is estimated to cost around $15,000. That's 80,000 Ghana Cedi.
Yes, finally. I told you I get a new deal, and the deal is successful. Yeah. You can see it's a new car. It's not a fake. Yeah, you can see the TV. The car is for me. Yeah. So management bought this car for me. So anywhere, anytime, you will see me driving my own car. You can see I dress red, and the car too is red. It's not a Valentine's Day because I'm going to celebrate Valentine's Day. Yeah. God bless the management and their team and everything. And they also do travel and tour. Yeah. So if you want to go and work at Dubai or any country, yeah, all the country, you can come and see them too. Yeah. So very true. I'll be flying like a butterfly or no.
Okay guys, this has been your Daily Entertainment Bars right on that HHTV. Please subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Peace.
Trying to be me no matter the weather. I keep raining on my fellas. Then I pop out to a rich man and this haters getting jealous. I'm on my knees in prayer. Your blessing on me is forever. Help me make a help a brother. Dr. Driller taking over. Oh yeah, I'm taking over. I quit.